Welcome to Merrist Wood College and University Centre.
We're here to discover all the courses it has to offer.
This is great.
This is scary! It's because they've dyed it, so that's like the thicker layer. Yeah, I paid attention.
Bosh.
There we go. Ollie, you ready for some mud?
Yep, guess so.
There we go. Habitat creation.
Completed. Oh my god, no!
Now push it in. There we go. Push it in at an angle. Yeah, super.
There we go. How's that?
Rubbish. How much does a snake weigh?
We'll just find out. Here you go, madam.
All right. Imagine we could eat like that.
Very muddy, indeed.
To be fair, they don't stink like I thought they would.
Yeah, for real. Oh, hoover it all up. For real.
Well, this place is massive.
Yeah, didn't realise how big it actually was. It's really soft.
I think it'd be that soft though.
No, I know what you mean.
We've had a fantastic few days here at Merrist Wood College. We've got tons of courses to choose from.
And if you'd like to find out more, come along to our open event or head to the website.